Okay, let's see. Construct the minimal DFA. Construct the DFA, minimal DFA, where where number of A in W number of A in W mod 2 equal to 0, and number of B in W mod 2 equal to 1. नंबर ऑफ बी इन डब्ल्यू mod 2 इक्वल टू 0, सॉरी ये भी 0 रहेगा, राइट, और ये भी 0 रहेगा, यस. नाउ we need to construct the minimal DFA. So what will be the final DFA? For this one we can construct okay, so we can construct this DFA, final DFA, with the help of cross product method. Okay, so we can construct this one with the help of cross product method. Okay, so by doing the cross product of these two individual machine, we can make the final third machine, right? So we'll see the machine for this language and we'll see the machine for this language. Yes, video off कर लेना. Just a minute. Yes, so cross product method यहाँ पे अप्लाई करेंगे और we'll construct the individual DFA for this one and individual DFA for this one. So what will be the individual DFA for this one? That number of A in W mod 2 equal to 0. So already we have made this machine. Number of A in W mod 2 equal to 0. Let's see. So first machine, let me say it is M1, machine M1, and in the machine M1 what will be the language, sorry, what are the string in the language? So string in the language, we can say it can be the zero length means null. After that it can be the two length means there can be the double A possible. After that there can be double B also possible, because there is no condition over the B, right? B पे कोई condition नहीं है, तो there can be the single B also, or not? Yes, single B also possible, or not? Single B is not possible. Number of A mod 2 equal to 0. Just a minute. Number of A in string mod 2 equal to 0. बट मशीन M1 में पॉसिबल हो सकती है क्या? बिकॉज condition is only on this one, number of A's. Yes, there can be possible. It is possible because there is a condition over the A, not over the B. B पे कोई condition ही नहीं है. There can be the single B also. Single B is possible because there is condition only on A, not on B, right? So single B is possible here, double B possible, triple B also possible, and so on, because there is no condition over the B, but there is condition over the A, because number of A in W mod 2 equal to 0. So we can say number of A, that is 0 number of A possible, 0 mod 2 equal to 0, so it is possible. What about 1 mod 2 equal to 1? It is not possible. 2 mod 2, that is also 0, so we can say it is possible. Means 2 length string, 2 length string means 2 length A is possible, right? So number of A that can be twice also. Another thing, 3 mod 2, that is equal to 1, it is not possible. After that 4 mod 2 equal to 0, means 4 A are possible, right? So 4A also possible. With the double A, with the double A, it can be double AB, it can be B double A, or it can be ABA, right? This is also possible. After that 4 time A, that is possible, right? And combination with this one also possible. 4 time A, then B possible, B then 4 time A possible, and so on. Okay, so these all strings are possible in case of language L1, right? Yes, that is the another machine. I'm looking for the machine M1. I'm saying this, for this language, for this language machine is M1, right? And for this language machine will be M2, right? I'm constructing these individual machines, राइट? तो ये दो इंडिविजुअल मशीन कंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहे हैं. पहले किसके लिए कंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहे हैं? नंबर ऑफ ए इन डब्ल्यू मोड 2 इक्वल टू 0. ये मशीन M1 होगी. और ये क्या है? नंबर ऑफ बी इन डब्ल्यू मोड 2 इक्वल टू 0, दैट इज द मशीन नंबर 2. क्लियर? तो मशीन 1 क्या बनेगी? लेट्स सी. सो हियर मिनिमल स्ट्रिंग इज नल. Just a minute. Yes, so minimal string that is null, so it should accept null. So we'll take the initial state and that is the final state. Let me say it is a, okay, and this is the initial state and final state, so null is accepting. After that it is accepting double A. Double A means, can I take this one further state? Let me say it is B, and here it is A. So here it is a B, and sorry, it is A. We are looking for the acceptance of A. Now it can accept 2 times A, 4 times A, and 6 times, and so on, right? So it is accepting. What about another thing? There can be the single B, double B, triple B, right? So can I take the loop of B here? Yes, we can take the loop of B here, because it can accept single B, double B, triple B, 4B, and so on, because there is no condition over the B. Okay, after that what about the, can I take the loop of B here also? Because we have taken the transition for A. What about the B transition? Can we take the loop of this one? Okay, then we can see it is A. After A there can be the B, and after that there can be the A. Yes, it is possible or not? Yes, it is possible, because in this string ABA it is possible. Okay, what about this one A? After that multiple B's and A. Yes, 2A are possible, and there is no condition over B. So here it is a single A from this one. After that 3 times B will read from this loop, and after that A will read this one, and we are on final state, that is A, and it is accepting. Okay, so finally it is accepting, right? तो इस केस में क्या कह सकते हैं? We can say this is the final DFA and which is the minimal DFA. ठीक है, तो ये क्या रहेगा? That is the final DFA and that is the minimal DFA. Yes, is it clear to all? Yes, this one is clear to all. Okay, clear. Fine. Now let's see the next story. Next we'll discuss about this M2, machine M2. Let's see machine M2. M2. For M2, this is the language. Okay. So what are the string in the language M2? For M2, what are the language? Let me say it is language L1. This is what language L2. For this one, what are the string in the language? What are the string in the language? So number of b in w mod 2 equal to 0. We can say number of b in w mod 2 equal to 0. So here there will be the even number of bees. ठीक है ना, इस केस में क्या होंगे? There will be the even number of bees and there is no condition over a पे कोई condition नहीं है. So what can be the even number of bees? Even number of bees we can say there is no no b, means it can be null, right? What about single b? Single b is not possible. What about single a? Yes. Double a? Yes. Triple a? Yes, it is possible, and so on. What about b? So b, that can be the 0 time b, that can be the 2 times 2 length, or that can be 4 length or 6 length. So b क्या हो सकते हैं? That can be the even number. So even number b means it can be double b, it can be a double b, it can be bb a, or it can be b, and so on. After that there can be the 4 length b can be of 4 length. 4 length means it is 4 time b, it can be a and 4 time b, or it can be b a 4 time after that 3 time b, and so on, all combinations, right? So this is the language for machine M2. Okay. So machine this is the string in the language for machine M2. Now we can construct the machine M2. For machine M2, it will accept a null, right? It will accept a null. It means here we'll take the initial state, initial as a final state, and let me say it is a state b already we have taken, so we'll take c assume. So this is the state number c. Okay. After that it is accepting single a, double a, triple a, and another thing it is accepting double b. Okay. So double me means, can we take this one? It is another state, let me say d. Here it is accepting b or double b. Yes, it is accepting double b. Okay. So what about a? Can we take the loop of a here? Yes, it is possible because it can accept single a, double a, triple a, and 4 time a, and so on. So this loop is valid. What about this one? Can we take the loop of a here? Yes, can we take the loop of a here? So we'll have to check. After single b, can we take a or multiple a? Yes, let me say 3 times a, after that b. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible because 2 length b is possible, right? 2 length b is possible, so in between any number of a is possible, so we can take loop of a, right? We can take the loop of a here. So finally this is the valid machine because there is no choice, no dead configuration, no null move. Finally this is the DFA. Let me say machine M2. ये क्या होगी? machine M1, and this is the machine M2. Now we need to do the cross product of these two machines. ठीक है, इंडिविजुअल हमने देख लिया कि ये मशीन्स क्या क्या बनेंगी, राइट? और अब क्या करना पड़ेगा? विल हैव टू डू द क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज टू मशीन्स. इन दोनों का क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट करना पड़ेगा. लेट्स सी द क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज टू मशीन्स. So is it clear till this part? Yes. Clear? Okay, good. Now let's see the cross product of these two machines. Let me write down here. Let me write down machine M1 here. And here it is machine M2. Fine. So these are the two machines. Now we can do the cross product. Let me rub this one. So what can be the cross product of these two? Cross product of M1 we can say this one. So M1 containing the states, that is A and B. Okay, so M1 containing two states, that is A and B. And let me say M2 containing states, that is C and D, right? So we'll do the cross product of these two. If we do the cross product of these two, then finally it becomes, we'll take this state A and a cross product with the C, so it is AC. After that we'll take A and a D, so it become AD. After that we'll take B and C, so it is BC. After that we'll take this B and this D, so it become BD, right? So these are the four states. Okay, so these are the four state AC, AD, BC and BD in the final machine. ठीक है, तो फाइनल मशीन में कितने स्टेट्स बनेंगी? दैट बिकम्स फोर स्टेट्स. One is AC, AD, BC and BD. Okay, let me start with the initial state. What is the initial state? Initial state of this one is A and this one is C. So here AC is the initial state. Let me take this one A, C, and AC is the initial state. Now what we will do? We'll take this AC and we'll see the transition of both the machines. Let me take that A and C and we'll look for the transition, right? So by reading A from A, by reading A, we are going to state B, right? We are going to state B. Okay, after that from C, from state C, by reading A we are going to state C, right? By reading A we are going to state C. It means by reading A we are going to state C. It means from AC, by reading A we are going to BC, right? By reading A we are going to state BC. Let me take state BC. So from this one, by reading A we are going to state BC. What about B? From A and C. From A, by reading B, where we are going? From A, by reading B we are on state A. So here it is A. And from C, now we'll check for C. From C, by reading B, where we are going? From C, by reading B we are going to state D. So here it is D. It means it is AD. From AC, by reading B we are going to AD. So let me take a state AD. So here this state AD. ठीक है? By reading B we are going to state AD. So we have done the transition for A from AC. From AC we have done the transition for A and also for B, right? So till this part it is clear or not? Yes, till this part it is clear or not? ओके, रिपीट कर देता हूँ. मैंने कहा कि कहाँ से रिपीट करना है, ये कंप्लीट रिपीट करना है या ये वाला ट्रांजिशन समझ नहीं आया? ट्रांजिशन, ओके. तो मैंने कहा कि AC क्या है? इनिशियल स्टेट. कैसे पता चला? बिकॉज A यहाँ पे था और C यहाँ पे था, और A इसकी इनिशियल स्टेट है और C इसकी इनिशियल स्टेट है. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? AC से मिलकर क्या बनेगी? इनिशियल स्टेट बनेगी फाइनल वाली, राइट? तो फाइनल वाली इनिशियल स्टेट किससे बनेगी? A और C से मिलके. अब मुझे देखना है ट्रांजिशन A से स्टेट ए से रीड करके किसको? ए को रीड करके कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं? बी पे, राइट? ये देखना है. और सी से ए को रीड करके कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं? ये चेक करना है ना? ए से, स्टेट ए से ए रीड करके कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं और स्टेट सी से ए रीड करके कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं, ये चेक करना है. तो ये देखो, ए से क्या रीड करके? स्मॉल ए. इसको रीड करके कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं? स्टेट बी पे जा रहे हैं. तो हमने ट्रांजिशन कर दिया, स्टेट बी पे जा रहे हैं. उसके बाद क्या होगा? बी से, सॉरी, स्टेट सी से चेक करना है. सी से ए रीड करके कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं? ये रहा सी, और यहाँ से ए रीड किया और कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं? सी पे ही, राइट? तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? हम कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं? सी पे. तो फाइनली इन दोनों को कंबाइन करें तो क्या बनता है? AC बनता है. AC से क्या रीड करके? ए रीड करके कहाँ पे जाएंगे? BC पे जाएंगे. इज इट क्लियर नाउ? राइट? तो हमने क्या कर दिया? ट्रांजिशन कर दिया. AC से ए रीड करके कहाँ पे चले गए? BC पे चले गए. यस, नाउ टेल मी इट इज क्लियर और नॉट? क्लियर, ओके. ऐसे ही AC से B रीड करके देखेंगे कि कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. अभी और भी ट्रांजिशन होंगे, पता चल जाएगा. देखो अभी नेक्स्ट क्या होगा? मान लीजिए हमें इस BC से देखना है. लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट वन. BC से चेक करते हैं. अब ये वाली स्टेट है BC. तो यहाँ से पहले क्या करना है? चेक करना है कि B से A रीड करके कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. स्टेट B कहाँ पे है? ये रही. B से A रीड करके कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं? हम जा रहे हैं A पे. तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा A. उसके बाद स्टेट C से A रीड करके कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं? C से A रीड करके हम A इस पे C पे ही जा रहे हैं, राइट? तो इसका मतलब BC से ए रीड करके कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं, ए सी पे जा रहे हैं, राइट। तो बी सी से ए रीड करके कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं, ए सी पे जा रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट बी के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग चेक करेंगे। बी सी से बी रीड करके कहाँ जा रहे हैं वो देखना है। तो बी से बी रीड करके कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं, स्टेट बी, ये रही। बी से बी रीड करके कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं, बी रीड करके बी पे जा रहे हैं। ओके जी। नेक्स्ट क्या होगा, सी से बी रीड करके कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं, सी से बी रीड करके डी पे जा रहे हैं, तो डी आ जाएगा यहाँ पे। तो फाइनली क्या हो गया, ए बी सी से बी रीड करके कहाँ पे जाएंगे, बी डी पे जाएंगे। और बी डी कोई स्टेट है क्या, यस बी डी एक स्टेट है। इसका मतलब ये यहाँ पे रहेगी, ये बी डी हो गया। और इसका मतलब यहाँ से बी रीड करके कहाँ पे, बी डी पे जा रहे हैं। यस, इज इट क्लियर टिल दिस पार्ट? Clear? Okay, fine. Next thing, next we'll take this state that let me say AD from A D. by reading A where we are going. So A से A रीड करके कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं, A से A रीड करके कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं, B पे जा रहे हैं, तो इसका मतलब B पे जा रहे हैं। D से A रीड करके कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं, स्टेट D से A रीड करके कहाँ पे, D पे जा रहे हैं, तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि AD से A रीड करके कहाँ पे जाएंगे, BD पे। AD से A रीड करके कहाँ पे जाएंगे, BD पे। उसके बाद AD से B रीड करके कहाँ जाएंगे, मतलब पहले चेक करेंगे A के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग, A से B रीड करके कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं,